Peregrine Falcon plucking the feathers off the pigeon. Got a good pigeon here for a snack. Yeah, must have just caught it because the feathers are flying, just plucking it now. And I can just see the tip of the wing out. Oh yeah, look at that, would you? There's our resident Peregrine Falcon. Having a nice snack here. Right on the corner of the Boeing Aerospace building in Kent, Washington. I'm picking off a few primary feathers now. A good looking bird here. My goodness. Oh yeah. Feathers are flying now, tearing into it. Well, move over on this side now, a little bit different angle, and we'll get a close-up. Oh yeah, a happy peregrine with a pigeon. You see the wings sticking over the edge now, and he's got some feathers on his beak. Oh yeah. This is the male here. He's kind of looking down at me a little bit, looking up. We like it when we find him. A good time. Just looking down, watching the traffic go by. Just guarding that pigeon and getting ready to tear into it. Alright, moved over here to this angle now. Still in the middle of the feed here. Tore into the pigeon now. So getting a little meat. Got all the feathers plucked off the breast, and now it's tore in and having a little bit of meat. Yeah. Our lighting's getting a little bit better now. This is a happy Peregrine Falcon. Bagged the pigeon. Got the feathers plucked. You can see the tip of the wing sticking over the edge there. Got some on his beak. Just kind of munching away here.